This channel gives you practical, step-by-step tools based on Carl Jung's psychology to transform your inner critic into your greatest ally. No theory, just exercises. That voice in your head, the one that whispers you're not good enough, that you shouldn't even try. What if you could finally understand it? That voice isn't your enemy. In the psychology of Carl Jung, it's known as the shadow, and fighting it is a battle you can't win. But understanding it, that changes everything. This channel is your guide out of that internal war. Here you won't find long theoretical lectures. You will get clear, step-by-step exercises, tools to help you decipher that critical voice, integrate its energy, and uncover a more authentic, confident you. If you're ready to stop fighting who you are and start becoming who you could be, subscribe and turn on notifications. Your first step is waiting. Let's begin.